Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 7th in your physics class. In your previous class, I taught you what terms related to reflection and what are the two laws of reflection. First law, the incident ray, the normal ray at the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. And second law, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. That is, angle I is equals to angle R. Now in today's class, I'm going to teach you about the mirrors and what are mirrors, what are plane mirrors, and what are virtual images and what are real images. So let's start. What is mirror? A mirror is a smooth and highly polished reflecting surface. Now, how is it made? See, one surface of the mirror is made opaque by silvering, or you can say covering the surface of mirror with a thin layer of silver. It is followed by a thin coat of red lead oxide paint to protect the silvering of the mirror. What are the characteristics of the mirror? An ideal mirror should have the following characteristic. First, it should not absorb light. Second, there should be a little or no transmission of light. It should give maximum reflection. So students, there are two types of mirror. First is plane mirror and second is spherical mirror. In this chapter we will learn about the plane mirrors. Now first we will understand the difference between the virtual images and real images. So what do you see on your screen? You can see that this is a mirror. It has a plane and smooth reflecting surface on one side. It is called a plane mirror. What is a plane mirror? A smooth and highly polished plane reflecting surface is called a plane mirror. It is called a plane mirror because its reflecting surface is flat. So let's consider this plane mirror again. So when we stand in front of a mirror, we see an image of ourselves in a mirror. Why? We are able to see our image. Yes. Why? It's due to the reflection of light. And how? The light rays from the source are first incident on our body. They bounce off from our body and fall on the mirror and again gets reflected from there. This reflected light then reaches our eyes and we see our image. Okay, now let me ask you that this image that you see here, is it a real image or virtual image? This image is virtual image. In order to explain what is virtual image, let's first simplify this image. Let's represent this boy with an arrow pointing mirror, and here is our plane mirror. So you can assume the top of the arrow to be the top of the head of a boy. When we see the image in the mirror, it seems to us that the image is formed somewhere behind the mirror, but there is nothing behind the mirror, right? So for us, the light rays seems to come from the location present behind the mirror. Okay, so for instance, consider a few light rays emerging from the top of the arrow. All these rays are incident on the mirror and get reflected back. Yes, you all know this. they all the rays will follow the law of reflection, right? So you see that these reflected rays are moving away from each other. That means they are diverging. Okay, now let me extend these reflected rays backward. So what you can see, when you extend these rays backward, what happens, we see that these rays meet at a point. Here you can see a point, right? So we see that they meet at the point behind the mirror. This is where the top of the image appears to be. When we look at this point, it appears to us that all the light rays are diverging from this point, but in reality, there is no light rays behind the mirror. Right? There is no light rays behind the mirror in reality. Mirror being a smooth and shiny surface, reflects most of the light back and almost no light reaches behind the mirror. But yes, we have the perception that the light rays are coming from the point behind. So we say that the image formed here is virtual, or in other words, you can say that the image is not real. Now you can think of a virtual image is an image which appears to be formed in a position somewhere behind the mirror, but in reality it isn't there. So virtual image is formed when the light rays diverge after reflection from the mirror. Every plane mirror forms a virtual image. So in case of plane mirror, we see the image behind the mirror, not on the screen. So the image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. Now what is real image? The image that can be obtained on a screen is called the real image. For example, the image formed by a projector on a wall or is an example of real image. A real image is formed when light rays coming from an object actually meets at a point after reflection from the mirror. Real image is always inverted and virtual image is always erect.